Under the aegis of Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, I4C, NCRB has powered up an online training portal known as CyTrain. CyTrain is an e-learning portal developed by the National Crime Records Bureau. It is a massive open online course platform set up to offer professional quality e-learning resources to all law enforcement agencies. The key feature of CyTrain is to create a simulated environment for training purposes. Upon finishing up a training curriculum over CyTrain, one would be awarded with I4C Certified Specialist and I4C Expert certifications. The training modules are curated at par with international standards of agencies like UNODC, FBI, and EC3 of Europolice, etc. Some states like Haryana and Odisha have released a mandate to encourage newly recruited police officers to undergo trainings on the CyTrain portal, as they may receive benefits of I4C certifications while serving a posting at a cyber police station and digital forensics lab, etc. There are various modules in more than 20 different courses currently being accessed by registered users from central and state law enforcement agencies. The courses are designed in different tracks to address the specific needs among various roles in cybercrime investigation process. One of the unique features of CyTrain is its eCyber Lab. The eCyber Lab is a state-of-the-art facility which can be accessed by the trainees virtually via any computer system. The eCyber Lab can be utilized by the trainees for practical and hands-on experiments on digital forensic tools and software which are preloaded in the eLab's virtual environment. The huge number of tools available at eCyber Lab allow users to execute their practical experiments in various fields of digital forensics such as disk forensics, network forensics, mobile forensics, CDR analysis using high-end forensic workstations via virtual simulated environments. The CyTrain portal can be accessed in both Hindi and English languages. To enroll in these courses, trainees must create a new account on this portal. Trainees having government domain email IDs like .gov.in or .nic.in etc. can register instantly at CyTrain portal. After filling up basic details like name, designation, type of user, email address, and ID number, present posting, etc., CyTrain will send automatic mail to verify the registered email, and after successful email verification, trainees can easily log in and access courses of CyTrain portal using their respective username and password. Once logged into the CyTrain portal, the user can start the training programs for their respective fields of duty. CyTrain allows the user to access the preloaded digital forensics tools on the eCyber Lab's virtual workstation, through which the trainees can practice digital forensic tools and make analysis and produce findings out of digital forensic evidences. The tools available in the virtual cyber lab meet international industry standards and are widely used by the law enforcement agencies worldwide. In this digitally modern world where it is possible for digital evidences to be altered, damaged, or destroyed through improper handling, and therefore the knowledge of digital forensics and cybercrimes will facilitate the police officers at all levels to deal with digital evidences and assist them to combat cybercrime more efficiently. Cybercriminals cannot be outrun, but we surely can outsmart them. So what are you waiting for? Log on to cytrain.ncrb.gov.in to begin your odyssey on cybercrime investigations.